Good morning, dear students. So, your Sanila ma'am is back. Today, we are going to do an activity related to Teachers' Day. Today, we are going to do some painting, colorful paintings. Okay. So, for this, we will need some materials that I will tell you. Before that, I am going to tell you about this activity. So, basically, this activity is given to you because of Teachers' Day. As you all know, on 5th September, we are having Teachers' Day. So, for that, you have to do some activity that will be given by us. I will send a video, and this video is for that only, and watching this video completely, after that you have to do the same activity by yourself, with your parents help, and you are having 4 days to submit this video. Your video must be of 1 to 1.5 minutes, that is 1.5 minutes, and you have to make this video from 1st of September to 4th of September. You have to submit your video till 4th of September, so that we can upload this to the higher authorities, and then you will be getting e-certificates also for this activity. We will select around 10 to 12 best activities from this, and then we will award you with that. Okay, so before that, I will tell you what all items we need, then we'll start the activity. Okay, so the first item that we need is a stone. Okay, you will find this near your house only. Outside your house you can easily find these stones. Simple round soft shaped stones we need for this. Small, big, doesn't matter what size it is, you can have any kind of stones. Okay, then but remind one thing, I want to remind you, you can't use brick or any other small that we use to build our house. Okay, you have to take some soft size of stones. Okay, then you will need a pair of gloves, brushes, marker, then obviously colors. I am using poster colors here, DOMS poster colors. You can use acrylic paints also, and also then for that a bowl of water, then a rough cloth to clean your hands or to wipe up anything. Okay, so try to make it before starting this. Try to use some newspapers for this, so that your surface will not get dirty. Okay, now we'll start the activity. Okay, see, in the beginning your stone will look like this, simply plain color, the natural color of the stone. Here I have painted one stone grey and half white. First of all, the first thing you have to do is, whenever you start painting, you have to give it a base color, that is white color. Okay, so in the beginning your stone will look like this with a natural color. Then I have painted this white, so it becomes like this. There are some more stones I have painted white. Okay, so like this you have to paint it white. And also nowadays there is humidity because of rainy season, so it will take time to dry. So you can use a dryer to dry this, but it is much more easier if you do it one by one each day. Like you are having 4 days to submit the video, so you can do one thing, that first day you can take your stone and paint it white with the base color, and then let them dry and let them leave for the whole day. Then you can do the next step another day. You can do it we will start the drawing with a marker. Like ma'am is having some clear thing that ma'am can draw it by herself. So ma'am drawn it with the brush only. But if you are drawing by yourself without your parents' help, so you can use your marker first, and you can draw whatever design you want to paint. Then you can paint with your brush, the color and brush you can use afterwards. So this is the way you have to paint your stones. So now you can see ma'am is wearing gloves here. Okay, I have told you in the beginning that items we need. We have to wear gloves also for this. This is for your safety. As you all know, the colors that paint we are going to use are having chemicals, and this is for your safety, that your hands will not get harmed. Okay, so if you are not having gloves, so you can use plastic covers also that are easily available at your home. And you can wear that plastic bag covers and put a rubber band, so that it will stay in place, and then you can start painting. Okay, so it will not harm your hands. So now we are going to start with the drawing. So now ma'am will tell you how to draw a tree. As I have told you, ma'am's hands are free. Ma'am is already knowing how to paint with a brush directly, so that ma'am has used brush only for the drawing always. But before that, you have to draw a drawing directly on a stone, as you are small kids and you don't know how to use directly brush, so before that we will draw a tree on the stone. As I am drawing a tree here on the stone, and then I will use brush and then I will paint it with green and black color. Okay, then afterwards only we will use brush. First of all I will tell you how to draw a tree. Okay, so here you can see ma'am has drawn a tree on the stone. Can you see this? Hai, like this you have to draw whatever thing you want to draw. You can draw even a cartoon also, like Mickey Mouse or a Cinderella, hai, or a flower or a tree or a person or a house or a scenery. Anything you can draw on a stone. Okay, so here I have drawn this tree and my sketch is ready. So now I will start with the painting. Okay, so now ma'am will start with the painting. For that, as you all know, leaves are green color and stem I am going to draw. I am going to paint with black as I am not having brown color. You can also use black or brown color, whatever you are having. So first of all I am going to paint it with green. Hai na? You all can see this, hai na? This tree. So above this side there are leaves. So I am going to start with green color. Okay. You have to dip your brush in water and then slightly take green color and then start painting. You have to be careful with this. You don't go outside the line, hai na? Outside the border. You have already sketched and when you are sketching it, no, your drawing will be perfect, hai na? It will not look so messy. It will look clean and neat. Okay. See, now ma'am has completed with the green color. See how the trees leaves are looking. Isn't it pretty? So now we'll do the root part, stem part of the tree. I will paint it with black. Okay. So now I will close the green color and then we'll start with black color. Okay. Before that you have to wash your brush, otherwise green and black will mix up and it will create a mess. Okay. So now I'm painting it with black. Now see, ma'am has painted it with black. Now your tree is ready. But before this, we have to do a small finishing. Now I have to give it a black outlining also, for which I am going to use a thin brush. Before starting painting, I was using broad shaped brush. Now for the finishing, I am using a thin shaped brush, and then I will shape it around. I will give outlining with black color to the tree. See, ma'am has completed the tree. Ma'am has given the outlining with black and green leaves and black stem also. So now our tree is complete. Same way you all have to draw. You all have to draw like this. Now I will keep it to get it dry. Okay. So now I will show you one more design that we can draw here. This is how our stone is, hai na? With a base white color. Now I will draw a simple flower in this. Okay. So let's get started. I will use some other color. Here I am using red color. Okay. First of all, I will give red in the center, a big red dot. then some more. I will give like this 2-3 dots. Now I'll take yellow color for the petals. Okay, we'll start drawing petals with yellow color. See, can you all see this yellow flower with red dot? Similarly, we have to draw with all these dots. Okay. See, now ma'am has completed this stone. Can you all see this? है ना? Some yellow flowers with red dots on white base. है ना? Similarly, you all have to draw this. है ना? सिंपल चीजें बनाना बेटा, ज्यादा टफ बनाने की जरूरत नहीं है. जितना आप लोग बना सकते हो उतना बनाना है. आपको सिर्फ छोटी चीजें लग रही है इसमें. स्टोन्स, कलर्स, ब्रश, मार्कर, रफ क्लॉथ एंड अ बॉल ऑफ वाटर, है ना, एंड अ पेयर ऑफ ग्लास. ठीक है. देन you have to paint your stone. like आपके stones ऐसे होंगे, small, बड़े, any size it could be, but it should be little soft so that you can paint it properly. Okay, don't use bricks or something. Then you have to paint it with white base, है ना, like this. First colors should be the base color, white color. Then you can start painting with any other colors. जैसे कि अभी सबसे पहले मैम ने आपको बताया था how to draw a tree, right? See, this was the tree, we have drawn it, है ना, in the beginning. Then I have taught you how to draw some basic flowers using yellow and red color. Also you can draw like this, a simple dandelion flower type of shaped flower, है ना, with on a white stone. And also I will show you some more. See, ma'am has drawn a yellow color stone, है ना. I have made this for the doctors, है ना. Like as you all know, nowadays our heroes are soldiers, police, doctors, nurses. They are saving us from the COVID pandemic situation, right? So for them I have dedicated this, and I have drawn a doctor's stone. I have painted this with their uniform, and I have written heroes on the stone. Can you all see this, right? Similarly, you also can draw, है ना. I have drawn a minion also. I have told you that you can draw a cartoon also, है ना. See, ma'am has drawn a minion, है ना. Also, a blue stone with some clouds and a sun. And also I have written joy on the stone, right? Joy means enjoy करना, happy रहना, right? A positive word for a positive vibe. Similarly, I have drawn a stone, a flower on the stone, है ना. अभी जैसे हमने yellow flower बनाया था, वैसे ही I have drawn a white flower on a stone. First I have painted with a base color white. Then I have given the base again a color on the same way, white stone, a green color. Then I have drawn a white flower. Okay. Now, see, I have drawn a small chick, है ना, small baby chick, है ना. You can see this. ऐसे ही आप भी बना सकते हो. और मैंने जैसे कहा था, आप लोग सीनरीज बना सकते हो. I have drawn a scenery also, है ना. I have mixed 2-3 colors and given orangish shade that is showing an evening shade, है ना. Also, then with the black color I have drawn 3 houses and tree, है ना, and some birds also. So this way you have to draw on your stone. This is what is your activity. आप सबको यही करना है. स्टोन्स लाना है घर के बाहर से, ब्रशेस, पेंट वगैरह यूज करके आपको सिंपल सी पेंटिंग करनी है स्टोन पे. ओके, दिस इज लिटिल डिफरेंट एंड क्रिएटिव. आई होप यू ऑल विल एंजॉय डूइंग दिस. आई होप everyone from my class will do this surely. I want each and everyone to participate because this is really creative beta and show some creativity. Okay, good day everyone.